In the fast-paced rhythm of our daily lives, there are certain items we simply cannot afford to leave behind when we step out the door. These are the essentials, the must-haves that provide us with a sense of security, convenience, and preparedness. In this discussion, we'll take a closer look at these indispensable items, those we never leave home without, and explore how they become an integral part of our daily routines. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Wallet. Your wallet is a small, portable storage for important items. It typically contains your driver's license or ID card, which is essential for proving your identity in various situations, such as when you need to verify your age or identity for legal or financial transactions. Credit and debit cards in your wallet allow you to make purchases and access funds conveniently. Cash in your wallet can be useful for transactions where electronic payment is not accepted, or during emergencies when card payments may not be an option. 2. Keys. Carrying your keys ensures that you can access important locations such as your home, car, or workplace. Forgetting or losing your keys can result in being locked out, which can be a major inconvenience and may require costly locksmith services to regain access. 3. Phone. In today's digital age, smartphones have become multifunctional devices. They provide constant communication through calls, text messages, and email, making it possible to stay in touch with friends, family, and colleagues. Smartphones also offer access to navigation and mapping tools, which are helpful for finding directions when you're in an unfamiliar area. They provide a wealth of information, from news updates to weather forecasts, and can be used for a wide range of tasks, from checking your calendar to ordering food. 4. Mask, if necessary. During times when respiratory illnesses are prevalent, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, wearing a mask is crucial for personal and public health. Masks help reduce the spread of infectious respiratory droplets, protecting both the wearer and those around them. Many places require mask wearing in indoor public spaces or crowded areas to prevent the transmission of diseases.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
5. Medication. For individuals with chronic health conditions, carrying prescribed medication is essential to maintaining their health and managing their condition. Missing a dose of medication can have serious consequences, so having it on hand ensures that you can follow your treatment plan even when you're away from home. 6. EpiPen. An EpiPen is a life-saving device for people with severe allergies, particularly those susceptible to anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is a severe allergic reaction that can be triggered by certain foods, insect stings, or other allergens. Carrying an EpiPen allows individuals to administer epinephrine quickly, which can reverse the life-threatening symptoms of anaphylaxis until they can receive medical help. 7. Glasses, contact lenses. Corrective eyewear is essential for individuals with vision problems. Without them, tasks such as driving, reading, or working can become difficult or unsafe. Carrying your glasses or contact lenses ensures that you can see clearly and function effectively throughout the day. 8. Charger power bank. Smartphones and other electronic devices are powered by batteries that can run out during the day. Carrying a charger or power bank allows you to recharge your devices when needed, ensuring that you can stay connected and use important apps and services, such as GPS navigation or emergency calls. 9. House, car, bike, transit access cards. Access cards are essential for security and transportation. Without these cards, you may be unable to enter your home or workplace, start your car or bike sharing service, or use public transportation. Carrying them ensures that you can access these essential services without interruption. 10. Emergency information. Having contact information for an emergency contact person is crucial in case you are involved in an accident, become seriously ill, or encounter unforeseen emergencies. This information can be vital for medical personnel or first responders to quickly notify someone who can assist you or make important decisions on your behalf when you cannot communicate effectively. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.